guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is the 4th of July will be here before we know it. And I wanted to show you how to make some 4th of July cupcake toppers that you put on little sticks to decorate your cupcakes. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for some sort of DIY. I'm not sure what. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'm going to go to circle with the plus for new project. And I'm going to go to upload because I've already uploaded these to my computer, and I have plenty videos showing how to upload the images. So I'm not going to be doing that today. So here they are. I just looked, basically Googled free 4th of July PNG images, and this is what I came up with. And I will put them in the description box below, the link, so that you can get them if you're interested. And like I said, they are free. So when you click on them, that will put a green box around them. Then we're going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images, and that will put it on our canvas. Okay, so here they are. Let me zoom in so you can see them a little better. I just think they look so cute. This just looks so festive. And then this bunting kind of like bow. I just loved it. So I'm going to click on the one that says 4th of July with the rocket. I'm going out from size. There's a little lock, and I'm going to unlock that, and I'm going to put mine 2.0 inches wide, 2.0, and for the height, I want it to be 2 inches. 2 inches tall, 2.0, okay, and then I'm going to lock it back, and that gives you that one. I'm going to do the same thing for this one, out from size, unlock it. The width is going to be 2.0, and then the height is going to be 2.0. No, 2.5 for the height. 2.5 for the height, and then lock that back and make sure I'm going to unlock this one. I want it 2.5 for the height. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I have 3 cupcakes because the others didn't make it. So I'm going to click on this, go over to the layers column, hit duplicate, and it will duplicate that, and that will give us our 3rd little cupcake topper. All right, so now I'm going to go to make it right top corner. My computer is connecting to my Cricut. You don't want to mirror these, so I'm going to go continue right bottom corner. And I've already printed these because I had to refilm this part because my sound wasn't turned on. I'm a mess. So if you've already printed, just say, I've already printed, okay? And my Cricut is set to cardstock. And like I said earlier, I have it just cardstock 80 pounds. I'm really not sure what the weight of this cardstock is because my paper's off. I bought it at Michael's. It's not real thick and not real thin. So the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this really cute little cupcake toppers. Okay, here are my little cupcake toppers that I printed out. I think they're so cute. You can make them larger if you wanted. Now this is my cardstock. It's not real thick. It's not real thin. I really don't know the weight. You could use an even thicker one if you wanted. I'm going to apply this on my standard grit mat. Insert this with the blinking arrow, and then cut with the blinking C. Now I just went to Walmart and picked up these Wilton treat sticks. You get 50, and I think they were like $2 and something. I think these are going to be so adorable. These are the 4-inch ones. You can get taller ones if you want. And you can apply this to your craft stick, your little treat stick, with either hot glue or just this glue stick. So I think I'm just going to use the glue stick for now because we only have 3 cupcakes and I know it's not going to last. So, but I think these would be really cute, like if for a pet, like a pet's birthday, you could put their little faces on there, or your child's birthday, you could do characters or their friends. For a bride and groom, you could put their pictures, like I said, when they were growing up. I think that would be so cute. All right, so it already has this cut out. Now we're going to eject it. And here they are. Now, if you wanted to make these double-sided, you definitely could. And it would be very easy. All you'd have to do is just, you know, take two of them like this and put the cupcake. Of course, you'd have to mirror it, you know, and do it like that. But I'm just going to do it like this. So I'm going to get my little sticks out. Oh, and let me show you. Here are my cupcakes. I'm just have a little plain dish for now. But these cupcakes, I got these at Publix. They look so good. So we're going to put these right here. And for the 4th, naturally, you'd probably want very festive looking ones. But I thought these were really cute. Okay, and oh, they smell delicious. So I'm just going to put some glue right here. Put the craft stick right on there like that. Look how cute that is. Put these right down in there. I think the 4-inch were perfect size because I didn't want it really big. You could if you wanted. And then here we go. Apply this like this. These look so festive. I love them. You can do so much with your Cricut. And this glue seems to be working quite nicely, okay? So here is our really cute little 4th of July cupcake toppers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for some sort of DIY. Until next time, bye guys. I thought I'd give you a really good up close look at these. Like I said, I'll put in the description box the size I made them. I think they're perfect. But you can do so much, like I said, but these are really cute. You could double them if you wanted. And you don't have to if you don't want to, but it just gives a very festive look. So, until next time, bye guys.